And we have invited people from majority of the people we wanted from Delhi and NCR.
Sridharji, shall we start now?
Yeah, I've already started now. I'm just introducing myself and then yourself so that then we can take it forward. Okay. So Rakeshji, I think
Hello.
you should. Rakeshji, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Rakeshji? Hello. Can you all hear me? Is there a problem? No, everybody says I can hear. Rakeshji, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Rakeshji? Hello. Everybody says yes. Okay, Shyam Prakash says yes. Everybody says yes. Okay, I'm proceeding, right? Okay, very, very warm welcome to all of you. I've got people from different parts of the country coming and taking part in this training program. This is going to be a 3-day training program for all of you on real estate. So some of you must be having doubts in your mind as to why this free real estate training program being offered. Okay. Free is something which is in some people's mind. There could be some sort of doubts coming up and all that. Why free? So somebody told me that in a Facebook chat that he said दाल में कुछ काला है, आपने कुछ free offer कर रहा है तो दाल में कुछ काला है. Okay, so this is what he said like this, and he warned me like this. What is this? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. There is दाल में कुछ भी काला नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. It's just that I'm of a person like where if there is a burning problem out in the market, I'll try to find solution to that problem and see if I can contribute something so that that justifies my existence in this universe. Okay, I'm a man like that. I've been brought up like that, and I've been doing similar kind of activities in the past. When I introduce myself in detail a little later, you will all come to know about what is my background and where am I from and why am I doing all these things, right, etc. Okay. Now, Rakeshji, if you can say a few words, if you want to welcome people and then you want to say something, you can take this. I think you are able to hear me. Rakeshji, can you hear me? Rakeshji,
hello.
Can you hear me, Rakeshji?
Yeah, very faintly. Somehow the audio has become very faint.
No, I think your volume, you should increase the volume because by
my volume is at a maximum.
Yeah. You want to say something, you can say something. Otherwise, I'll start this session.
Yeah, I just want to say that if we have to talk about Sridharji, he has really taken a pledge, and it is his initiative to empower the real estate professionals more so in a digital way, and that is the one of the main motivation which drives him. More about that as we go along. I think Sridharji, make a beginning.
Yeah, thank you so much. He said it right. I was about to tell you that I have now, especially after this COVID-19 pandemic, I have taken a pledge that I'm going to create 100,000 digital real estate experts. It is not 100, it is 100,000, which means close to around 1 lakh. This is my mission. I'm working on that mission. So for that, whatever it comes to me, I will definitely proceed further and make sure that these 1 lakh people are made, digital real estate experts, and they succeed in their life. This is my mission, and I'll work towards that. Okay. These are steps which I've taken. In fact, I've started from April 4th was my first program that I started. March 21 was the lockdown announced. March 21 to something like about March 30th, I think. I was just thinking as to what is this to be done, because we were going to the office, and I used to conduct a lot of training programs offline. I used to invite people to hotels. I used to invite people to my office, and we will have large gatherings. small gatherings, and I used to give training, and this has been my forte for the last 25, 30 years. I've been doing this, wherever I was. Fortunately, at a very, very young age, I took up a very high position, and by virtue of getting into that high position, I had no other choice but to keep disseminating information to people. So the public speaking became an in thing into me, and I had no choice. That became a part of my job. Okay, and all along till the lockdown was announced, my training forte was used to be in either a conference room or in a hotel. Then during this period, during this pandemic period, what came to my mind was to see that how this can be taken online. So I was wondering what to do and all that. And then April 4th, I just made an announcement about in the Facebook social media. I just posted one message saying that I'm offering a free training program on real estate. How many of you are interested? My God, the response was fabulous. The response was fabulous, and immediately I got into that and started. And from then on, I have not stopped. From then, in batches of at least about 50, sometimes 70, sometimes 100, sometimes 30, has become. If you see, my YouTube channel is now flooded with only videos. If you go to my YouTube channel, there could be at least 40, 50 videos must be there right now. That's the number. Okay. Anyway, this is about the purpose for which why I'm doing, because there is a real meaning in what I'm saying. I want to create this kind of digital real estate experts. So that is the reason that I'm holding this webinar. So have an open heart and have an open mind in listening to what I'm trying to say. We can have it an interactive session as we go along. Okay. So before I touch the particular subject, I want to take a small poll to understand, the crowd psychology here, the group, what kind of group have joined here. I want to understand. Then I can structure my program. So I'm going to conduct a small, poll. Let me now launch it. I want to know how many people have come from so and so and all that. I've launched it now. Please look into this and answer this. Okay. How many of you have come through Facebook ad, WhatsApp Delhi, WhatsApp group Mumbai, WhatsApp group Bangalore, WhatsApp group Chennai, email, Remax Bhopal, BO Bhopal, others, and I don't know. Okay. Just keep answering this. I would like to see how many of you have come from different, channels. Okay, still about 15 people to answer. 34 have answered now. 35. I'll give you another about 30 seconds. Those who are not answered, please get into and then answer. And more, 10 more people. 10 more people are required to answer. So those who are not answered, please answer. I can say, okay, 3, 4 people, if they are not answered, it's fine. 81% people have answered now. A little more, another about 4, 5, you answer, and then we can stop the poll. Okay, so I'm going to end the poll right now. So let's see the kind of results that have come. Okay. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, the Facebook ad is about 12 people have come from Facebook ad. WhatsApp group Delhi about 2 people. WhatsApp group Mumbai 3 people. WhatsApp group Bangalore 10. Chennai 1. Bhopal is about 9. And others 2. Okay. Thank you for sharing this information. So I got some idea as to how this have come. Now I'm going to close this poll. So my next question is, this is a very simple question, and I think most of you can answer this. Where are you coming from? Delhi NCR region, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. We have Delhi NCR region around 12 people, Madhya Pradesh 9, Bangalore and Karnataka 8, Mumbai and Maharashtra 3, Chennai and Tamil Nadu 1, others 1. So another 10 more people to answer. So if it is the same number, maybe another about 3-4 people you answer, and then we'll end up this. Okay, so I'm going to end the poll. So we have a 50-50 for between Delhi and Bangalore. Delhi and Bangalore 50-50 kind of crowd is there in the group. So it's a mixture of both Hindi and English mixture will be there. Kannada will not be there. I think by and large, everybody can understand English language. Okay. So now this is a very sensitive question that I'm going to ask you. Okay. But it's important for me to know this, because if I know this particular answer, then one more question, following that, one more question will be there. These two vital questions, if you answer me, this 3-day training program will be very, very meaningful for all of you. So as far as possible, please do not give some false information in this. I request you to give me honest reply, okay? Because this is going to help you in the training program. I'm not going to take away anything from that and all those things. So don't worry. Honest reply I want. Please answer honestly, okay? These 2 questions, very, very important. First question is, yeah, I have launched. Now, what has been your last year income? This is very crucial. Please give honest reply to this. Okay. Very good. Very nice. So now I know, where is this group from? Okay. I would say I'm going to share the result for all of you to understand, so that my pitch will be based on this, whatever I have now. I've ended the poll. Why am I not able to share?